I would like for us to learn something new. And I want to start by asking you, who can raise their hand and tell me what they think this is? Emily? A plant. Very good. That is correct. So, let's talk about some of the things that we already know about a plant. Raise your hand. Some things you already know about a plant. Eric?
They need water and sunshine.
Oh, good job. They need water and sunshine. Good job. I like that one. Joshua?
To grow.
They need to grow, or that plants grow?
Let's grow.
Plants grow. Good job. That is correct. All right, one more. Jeremiah.
Maybe seeds and water and dirt.
They have seeds and water and dirt. Very good. That's right. A plant starts off as a seed. And we know that they need water and dirt to be able to grow. Good job. All right, hands down. What are some things that you would like to know about a plant? Let's look at that plant for a minute. What are some things that you would like to know about a plant? Chase?
That they all plants need good soil.
Do you want to know if they need good soil? Okay, so do plants need good soil? Chase, can you tell us what soil is? What's another word for soil? Dirt and soil are the same thing. Good job. I was trying to check to see if you knew what they were the same thing. All right, another something that we would like to know. Aiden? What's something you would like to know about plants? Something you would like to learn about plants? What do you want to know about them?
I want to know how they grow.
How they grow. Oh, I like that one, Aiden. How do they grow? That, I love that one, Aiden, hands down. With that, that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to have an experiment and be scientists, and we're going to learn a little something about how a plant grows. What's something that it's going to need to help it to grow, okay? Hands down, we're going to learn about it. So, in order for us to do that, I want us to look at another plant that I have, okay? Look at that plant.
That looks disgusting.
Do these plants look the same?
No.
They don't look the same, do they?
No.
What do you think might be going on with these plants? Look at this one, look at this one. Glenn, what do you think has happened? What's the difference between these two plants?
One's dead and the other one's alive.
Very good. This one looks healthy and alive. This one doesn't look so healthy, does it?
No.
Something didn't happen to this poor plant, okay? So, in just a moment, we're going to go to our desks, and our experiment is going to help us to learn about which part of the plant can help it look like this instead of this, okay? In order for us to do that, you're going to use something called a data sheet. Y'all are doing such a great job. So proud of your respectful listening. If you will turn and face the smartboard. Heidi, can you get the first slide for me for just a second? So I can explain to y'all how we're going to use something called a data sheet. Scientists love to use data to help them to find out information in when they are discovering new things, okay? So that's what scientists do. Scientists like to discover new things, improve how they work or how they don't work. So today we're going to discover which part of the plant helps it to be healthy. And to do that, we need to have a data sheet to help us with what we've learned and what we found out. On our first part of our data sheet, it says to draw a plant and label the stem. I wonder what the stem might be. We'll talk about that in just a minute. So here you would draw a picture of a plant, and I have some up here for you that you'll be able to look at. Aiden, can you show me respectful listening, please? Thank you, good job. And then you're going to label which part is the stem, okay? You're doing this while we're doing our experiment. The next part says, where are the leaves connected on the plant? So you're going to draw a picture of it and then show me with an arrow where the leaves are connected on the plant. The last part says why we think the stem is important to the plant. And you're going to draw a picture to show why you think the stem is important to the plant. Now, I have an example of some of the things that I thought it might look like with my data sheet, just to kind of give you an idea of what your data sheet could possibly look like. Okay? All right, turn and face back towards me. Now, if you will notice on your desk, Heidi, you can get that first slide again, please, and thank you. You have a cup with some water and a straw. You're going to sit or work with your partners beside you or across from you, and you're going to discuss and experiment how this straw is similar to a plant. Who knows what similar means? Chase?
Like something.
Like something. Very good. Similar means like something. So you're going to think about, as you drink the water through the straw, what part of the plant is similar or the same as the straw, okay? When you are finished drinking the water through the straw, that's when you're going to then do your data sheet and record your findings. Scientists, when they come up with the answers, those are called findings, and you're going to record it on your data sheet, okay? Does anybody have any questions? Do you understand that part of it? Okay, so we're going to find out which part of the plant, okay, is similar to the straw and helping the water get to the plant, okay? All right, body check. Here are your directions. When you get to your desk, you're going to simply get your pencil out and fold your hands. Just your pencil. You don't need anything else for this experiment, okay? So, when I call your row, you're going to get your pencil out and fold your hands. Are you ready? All right, show me what awesome scientist you are. Red row. Nice job. Orange row. Love how you gently took your box out, Hunter. Thank you, Heidi. They're being very careful because they know that they have a cup of water on their desk. Good job, my friends. Green row. So careful, Amy. Quiet, good job. Blue row. Gianna, awesome job. Gianna already has got herself seated. Good job, Hunter. Lovely. Purple row. Are folded after you get your pencil out. All right. Gianna, I want you and Aiden and discuss while y'all are having your experiment what answering the questions. Y'all can work together. Dajane, I would like for you and why you work together and you can discuss your experiment and be free friends and talk to each other while you're doing your experiment, okay? Y'all are gonna be partners to discuss. Y'all are going to be partners and discuss. You three are going to be partners and discuss. Lynn, would you like to scoot over beside Eric and then y'all can be partners? And Chloe, I'm gonna let you scoot down and you can be partners with Lania and Emily, okay? Thank you to my friends who are sitting quietly with their hands folded, following directions. Okay, so during your experiment, you're going to ask yourself a couple of questions to help you answer the data sheet questions. How is the water carried to the other parts of the plant? While you're drinking through your straw, you're going to ask yourself that. How is it being carried? What is the stem? Okay, what part of the plant do you think is similar to the straw and is the stem? What other parts are connected to the stem? And why do you think the stem is important to the plant? Okay, those are some of the things that you can be asking yourself. Remember, we've talked about when you're reading and doing things, you want to stop and ask yourself questions that helps you with your understanding. All right, so you now may begin your experiment and drink your water through the straw. And then you can discuss with your friends what part you think is the stem on a plant, and you can look at my plant right up here to help you. Y'all are some thirsty friends with that water. What part of the plant do you think is similar to that straw? Number one, draw your plant and label the stem. I wonder which part of the plant is the stem?
I got it.
Oh, I love how Eric is discussing with Lynn what he thinks the stem is.
Even draw.
What do you think this part of the plant is?
Never get flowers. And always get water for them to be healthy.
Do you know what that's called?
It's like that. That's how you look. Like that.
So draw your plant and then label the stem. You are so right, Eric. Good job.
Keep on there. Oh, that's good.
Draw your plant and then discuss which part of the plant
Draw your plant.
similar to.
Here's my stem. Draw your plant.
They are both straight. Oh, I love how you're describing
This
that.
should be there. The thing on the plant should be what's going. It's okay, it's only a little top. Water tastes really bad.
Okay, now we're going to draw and label. Draw your plant and label the stem.
So what part of the plant is similar to the straw? What do we think that's a part of? And what is that called?
So tell
Very
me,
good. Very good.
what is this?
The two stems goes right in the middle of the flower.
So the straw is similar to the,
The straw is similar to this.
and what is it called?
Stem.
The
the stem.
Very good. All right. After you've drawn your picture of a plant and you've labeled the stem, number 2 is asking you, so where are the leaves connected on a plant?
Draw it.
I think you are right, Hunter. Good job. That is correct. All right. So you drew your picture of your plant and now label the stem. Can you label the stem on your plant? Remember how you do a label where you write the word? You're going to say stem and write the word stem. And you remember you draw a line pointing to that part of your picture. So which part on the plant is the stem?
The picture on the plant.
So draw your
So
line
number
to
2 is
it on the
asking
word.
where are the leaves connected on the plant? Where are the leaves, Landon? Number 2 says where are the leaves connected on the plant?
I don't know. I got that.
Number 2 says where are the leaves connected on the plant?
Remember, you can look at the plant over here on the table if you need a little bit of help
Draw a
drawing
picture of the leaves.
Remember, your picture doesn't have to be perfect, just your best. What I would like to see is your labeling of what the stem is, okay? Label the stem. That's the most important part. Can you draw me a picture of a plant, Jeremiah? You can. I know you can. Here, you can look at that plant right there on the table to help you, okay? Does that help you? All right, number 2, after you have drawn your plant and label, remember number 2 is asking you to draw a picture and show where the leaves are connected on the plant. So number 2 is where are the leaves
What's the
connected
difference?
on the plant? Draw a picture.
That one's brown, that one is kind of black.
Why do you think this one is live and that one is brown?
Because that don't look like, kind of look like that, but you can look the nose is so dark.
Very good. So now let's draw a picture of a plant with a healthy stem.
Number 3. Just going to talk about number 3 for a minute. Because I know a lot of you have already gotten your pictures drawn for number 2 where the leaves are connected. Number 3 is asking us, why is the stem important to the plant? Why is that stem important to the plant? What happened when we were drinking that water through the straw? And we've learned that the straw is similar and like the stem of the plant. So why is it important? Why is the stem important to the plant? Discuss with your partners and then draw me a picture. Draw me a picture of why the stem is important for the plant.
Is this right? It's so strong so it can hold the flower. It's so strong that can
So Janelle, why is the stem important?
It's so strong that it can hold the flower.
It holds the flowers and the leaves, and what else does it do?
Why do you think
It makes the flower grow
How?
because the stem grows first and then it leaves, then it helps the flower spring out.
So how is the straw similar to the stem? They both do what?
Another reason
They
why the stem is important for the plant. What do you think its purpose is?
How do the leaves and the flowers get water?
To stay in the dirt.
It does stay.
How do they get the water from the
What
ground?
is it doing? What did you do?
Through the what?
Number 3, do the dirt. What should we do number 3?
Through their stem, right? Just like your straw. So the stem gets water to them.
I like that observation that you just made. Can you now draw me a picture showing why you think the stem is important?
The leaves are pointing for the flower. flowers because they give that flower and
That's right, they sure do.
Answer this one by
You're recording her
It's
too.
important to the plant.
Recording you too.
Great job. I am so proud of y'all. I can hear you discussing your partner.
Through two.
You're doing a fantastic job of observing the importance of the stem to the plant. When you get finished, you have some books that talk about different plants. If you would like, you can read those while we wait for our friends to finish up with their data sheet.
When you're finished, you can read from the book basket. You need to finish number 3, Chloe. Why is the stem important? Number 3 says, why is the stem important? Draw a picture of why it's important. What is its job? Good. Emily, you can read while you're waiting for your friends to finish up. Gianna, you're drawing a picture of why the stem is important on number 3. Why is the stem important? What is its job? What does the stem do? How does it help a plant?
To get water.
The stem helps it to get water, so why don't you draw an illustration and show me how a stem is like a straw, how it helps it get water to the plant. Good job, Chase.
This is my grandma. My grandma brings flowers.
Riley, are we reading?
Alright, I'm going to give you 2 more minutes.
This is what you're reading, Jeremiah, or
You
that.
can check with your friend, your partner, to see if
You can
y'all,
reach right
you can discuss your results, your findings from your experiments. Good scientists always discuss with other scientists the things that they found. They check your work. Good job, boys and girls. I am so proud of you. I'd like for you to leave your data sheet on your desk. I'm going to call you by rows to come back to your carpet seat. Nice, quiet walking feet, first grade style. Table 1 and 2. Carpet seat. Nice job. Very nice. Table 3 and 4. Carpet seat. Excellent. Thank you, Jeremiah. 5 and 6. Thank you. Good job. Thank you, Riley. Thank you, Hunter. I see your respectful listening. Nice. All right, so what did we just discover in our experiments? What did we just discover, Emily? What was something that you discovered in your experiment about the plants and water? The straw and the stem are straight. Yes, you are correct. The straw and the stem are similar in that they are straight. What else did we observe and discover about a stem and a plant? Lynn.
The stem helps water get up to the rest of the plant.
Lynn, I love your discovery. Give me a thumbs up if anyone else made that discovery about a stem and how it carries water up the plant. Very good. I love that y'all all discovered that. So Emily discovered that a stem is straight. Do you think all stems are straight? If we think about different plants, and now that we know what a stem is, are all stems straight? Not always. They're different. They can be curved, they can be straight, they can be thick, they can be little. So stems can be different, can't they? Lynn discovered, and like so many of you, that the stem carries water to the plant. So why do we think that's important? Why is it important for a stem to carry water to the plant? Why do we think that that's important? London?
So it will grow.
Thank you, that's right. It's important to carry water to your plant so that it can grow. So we talked about over here that we knew that a plant needs water and sunshine, and that helps it to grow, and it comes from a seed and dirt. And we wanted to find out, do plants need good soil? Did we learn about that today? No? Maybe another day, another experiment. But Aiden said he wanted to find out, how do they grow? So what part of the plant helps water be carried and help it to grow? What part of the plant? Gianna? The stem, that's right, Gianna. So the stem is what carries that water, and it's important to help it to grow. Now, I want us to turn to the smart board. I want to show y'all something. It's called a concept map. A concept map. Patty, can you get the first slide, please? It helps us to organize the information we learn. And it's kind of like our KWL chart. So this concept map has our stem. That was our major discovery as scientists today. We discovered the stem is a part of the plant that carries and transports water to the plant. We also, thanks to Emily, she showed us that it can also be tall or short. It can be thin or thick. We also learned that the leaves are connected to the stem, aren't they? And the most important part of the stem is that it helps carry water so that the plant can survive, so that it's healthy and alive and not unhealthy and not alive like this poor plant. So I want you to kiss your smart brains. Y'all did a great job today at being respectful listeners and wonderful scientists. I am so proud of you. Good job, guys. Sorry. Is that too long? So today we talked about plants and learned how the stem carries water to help the plant grow. So why are plants important for us? What are some things that we need from plants? Why are they important? Riley? To grow food. So how are plants important for us? Why are they so important? Lynn?
They give us oxygen and healthy stuff for us.
Very good. So plants are important because they give us food and oxygen. And why are those things important for us? What's important about food and oxygen? Chase?
So they can keep us healthy and strong.
And strong. Very good. So plants are very important for us, aren't they? Yes, they are, so that we are able to have food and oxygen and be able to live and grow as well. Good job. I see that. Y'all did an awesome job today. I'm very proud of you. Thank you.